Today we're going to take a look at the 2-inch mini LED work lamp from Trux. It has an aluminum die-cast housing, stainless steel bracket, and polycarbonate lens. It features an LED power of 15 watts with 1500 raw lumens and 900 effective lumens. It's a 9-diode light operating from 12 to 24 volts with 0.87 amps at 12 volts and 0.43 amps at 24 volts. The color temperature is 6500 Kelvin. It has an IP67 waterproof rating. The housing measures 1.5 inches deep, 2 inches high, and 2 inches wide, with a total height of 3 1/8 inches. You can find links to all the products you've seen today in the video description, and check out our site at bigrigchromeshop.com.